Hello YouTube. Sorry about the time off I took from making content. I was having some health issues and some legal issues dealing with the two past projects of mine. Hopefully those will be out of my way soon and I can get back to making content. As of right now, I just had the rear end done. Like I said before, I was going to put 355s, but they made a mistake and sent me the wrong gearing. They gave me 373s, so they're in the car instead of the 342s, and I like those actually better than the 342. So that from there, it's pretty good. Right now, I'm going to start buying parts today. Basically, basic parts. I'm going to try to get this car put on a 92 octane tune. Right now I got on 89 tune, and I'm making a little over 330 horsepower. Basically, I'm going to buy some new ignition coils, wires, a high output alternator, a new AC condenser compressor, so I can worry about the heat later on. Then I'm going to put some stuff on the interior and go from there. If everything works out fine, I'm going to start a new project right after this. Just doing a little up-to-date on why I haven't been making any content as of late. I am better now. My legal issues dealing with this car and the car before that is over with almost. I'm going to make a video with just that subject to know, so y'all know what's going on. But until then, till next video.